Hi guys, it's Barrett from Body Mechanics, and we're going to talk to you today about a quick fix for a runner's issue that we frequently see coming into the office. For this, you're going to need a foam roller or some sort of ball. Frequently, at this time of the year, we see a lot of people preparing for races, and they're often complaining about IT band pain. If you don't know, IT band is the band of tissue that runs from about here up to the hip. Frequently, it manifests as pain at the side of the knee, or you might have pain along the whole length. And everyone always says to us, but I'm foam rolling. Here's the quick fix for that. What we really want to see you do is foam rolling at the attachment sites, which is the site here, right? Right along here. That's the contractile part of the tissue. Most people are foam rolling the whole thing, and that's fine, but it can be very painful and tender, and the real bang for your buck is coming from up here at this area. So what you really want to do is you want to focus up here like this. And adding a little bit of movement into your foam rolling will help. That's our quick running tip for the day. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more tips.